Okay, this is Human Factor Engineering course. The course module on this Human Factor Engineering. I am going to introduce myself prior to start of our class and assignment submissions or course introductions. Dear all students, welcome to the Human Factor Engineering class. My name is Tasu Jilcha, an associate professor in mechanical engineering and specialized in industrial engineering. Currently working in the School of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering in the College of Technology and Built Environment at Addis Ababa University. Dear students, I earned my Doctor's of Philosophy PhD degree in July 2017 and my master's degree from Addis Ababa University in January 2010. In mechanical engineering, specializing in industrial engineering. Additionally, I obtained my Bachelor of Science degree in July 2006 from Bahar Dar University, Faculty of Engineering in Industrial Engineering field of study. Dear learners, I am your Human Factor course instructor for this upcoming semester. Dear students, currently I am teaching and advising MSc and PhD students at Addis Ababa University, and I have over 13 years of experience in teaching in higher education and have taught over 14 undergraduate different courses, and I have advised over 70 MSc students and 8 PhD students in the so far and doing the same now. I have examined around 40 MSc and 5 PhD students. Alongside my teaching experience, dear students, I have published over 57 articles in recognized reputable international journals, conferences, and book chapter publishers. Dear students, in my free time, I enjoy attending spiritual programs and reading spiritual books that satisfy my soul. I am delighted to know all of you and provide support for this online and face-to-face or the combination of both and so-called blended course in the coming semester. I will provide you continuous support in video and prior written notices, and I will be engaging in the online and face-to-face programs during our courses. If you are willing to have more information about me, you can hit the links just depicted here or displayed in this presentation, and you can reach me through my email kasu.jilcha@aau.edu.it and at my office on Muskilo, third floor, room 309C. See you very soon. Thank you very much. Oh, glad to see you.